Ever since the Affordable Health Care Act went into effect and it was declared that each state would decide whether or not to expand Medicaid coverage, a certain segment of the population has been left in flux. Tammy Scardino tonight joins us live in the studio with the latest options developing at the state capitol. Tammy?
Hi there. The Medicaid Design Committee was formed by Governor Otter to collect data and research all options. Today they held their second meeting, and their focus is on population expansion as well as forecasting the costs associated with growth.
Right now, all across Idaho, thousands of Idahoans don't have access to health care coverage.
A good portion of this population is older or are people who are not yet eligible for Medicare. The problem is they don't qualify to be part of the state insurance marketplace, nor can they rely on Medicaid. There are several options on the table as far as the Medicaid redesign goes, all rooted in figuring out how to fund Idaho's Medicaid program. Also being taken into consideration is who will receive what level of benefits. One of the options provides funding for incident-based, catastrophic care for those who have no way of paying for health-related services. It's also being thrown out there to provide funding for direct primary care and a medical procedures fund. You must meet a set of qualifications in this scenario as well. Another option provides funding for essential health benefits for all low-income adults within certain guidelines. The first two options would draw from state and county taxpayer funds. The others would use a mixture of federal and state taxpayer funds.
For people in our state who care about this issue, who want to see Medicaid reformed and who want to see more Idahoans have access to health care, one of the most important things they can do is to be in contact with their state legislators.
Now, redesign work group recommendations will eventually end up on Governor Otter's desk. From there, the legislature will have the opportunity to pick up this issue in the upcoming session in January. But anyone with questions is welcome to direct them to the Idaho AARP office. Live in studio, Tammy Scardino, today's 6 on your side.